In this guide, you'll learn how to fix no internet connection or network error message in CapCut. Let's get started. When you open CapCut, you might notice that online templates, effects, or assets fail to load and you are asked to check internet even though your connection is working fine. In most cases, this issue is not caused by your device or Wi-Fi at all. It actually happens when CapCut servers are temporarily down, under maintenance, or experiencing heavy traffic. When the servers cannot respond properly, the app shows a network error for the thousands of users at the same time. If this is a server-side issue, there is no manual fix. You can check that by going to the website like Down Detector, typing the app name CapCut and search for it. If it shows the outage, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. Or also you can try out restarting your PC. Likewise, you can reset your network. For that, you can launch Settings. Go to Network and Internet. Now head over to the option Advanced Network Settings. Click on Reset Network. Click on Reset Now and go through the process. Next thing you want to do is update the CapCut to its latest version. If the problem was server related, these steps won't have anything and CapCut will reconnect as soon as the service is back online. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.